Understanding Players is a short video series from Aetherborne Creations, exploring player motivation, game design, and the experiences that games are built to create. In this first episode, we begin with a simple question. Why do players play? As we prepare to move further into the craft of games, narrative worlds, and edutainment, this question matters. To create meaningful play, we need to better understand the people we are creating for. Two players can play the same game for completely different reasons. One may take pride in finding the most effective way forward, but the other may choose a less efficient path because it makes for a better story. One may value a decisive victory above all else, yet the other may find a narrow defeat more exciting and memorable. Neither of them is wrong. They are simply looking for different kinds of satisfaction. When we say a game is fun, we often compress many different experiences into one word. Fun might mean finally overcoming a challenge that once seemed impossible. It might be laughing with friends around a shared game, following a hidden path just to see where it leads, holding your breath as a close contest reaches its final moment, returning to a familiar world after a difficult day, expressing something of yourself through the character you play, or taking pleasure in making something with your own hands. For developers, recognizing these differences matters. If we do not understand what kind of satisfaction a feature is intended to create, we can easily design noise instead of meaning. This series explores a practical framework for understanding players. It draws from research on game motivation, psychology, tabletop role-playing, game design, and gamification. The aim is to understand what players may be seeking, and how design can respect that. Across this series, we will look at 8 recurring forms of player satisfaction: mastery, agency, social connection, immersion, discovery, creation, conflict, and restoration. Examining these categories together helps answer the question at the center of this episode. Players may play to become more capable, to make meaningful choices, to find community among like-minded people, to inhabit another world, to uncover mysteries and explore hidden places, to create and care for things, to experience the tension of challenge and conflict, or to recuperate from the pressures of everyday life. A good game does not need to serve every motivation equally, but it should understand what it serves, why it serves it, and how the experience may feel from the player's perspective. For design, this is a value of understanding players. It helps us ask more precise questions about play. What kind of satisfaction are we creating? For whom is it intended? And does the design truly support that experience? Understanding players is key to designing experiences that genuinely deliver what players seek from play. This has been episode 1 of Understanding Players, a series from Aetherborne Creations examining player motivation and game design.